Right, well, I hope everyone's had a good Christmas and everything. I ain't done a video for a while. Just loads of weird things have happened and come up, and I've had to just be doing things and all that, and just ain't done them for a while. But I'm gonna get back on it now and start doing them regular again. So I didn't see no one over Christmas. I didn't do no videos, so a belated Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you got, plenty of things. And I don't know what it was like overseas, but in the UK a lot of us was all on lockdown, so it was boring, and it didn't seem like Christmas. It was weird, It was just the two of us in the house. It was very, very weird. Normally we have everyone round. I didn't really, well, you know what I mean, I kind of enjoyed it to the best I could. But it's not the same without the family. We're still on lockdown now. See how that goes, Anyway, so I wanted to do a video about some of the Christmas presents I got. Specifically some books on trapping. Now I did get other things, and I may do on this channel show you the other presents, which are kind of related to survival, bushcraft, whatever. Or I may do them on the other channel. I'll let you know what I do. But these ones I'm specifically going to do on this channel. So I got 3 trapping books. I looked online to try and find some which I hadn't seen before or I hadn't got. Because the only thing is, when you've got quite a few books, you have to tell people exactly what you want. Otherwise they'll just get the same ones you got. So I'll show you what I've got. So, now many years ago, I'd seen a post or a website online by this bloke, and he had quite a few good weird traps on it. Now, to be honest, when I bought this one, I thought this was the same thing, but this isn't. This is actually a new, like a new book of his, whatever. So it didn't have the ones I thought it had in it, but still good though. So it's the new Buckshot's Complete Survival Trapping Guide by Bruce Buckshot Hemming. And like I said, a long time ago, I'm sure it was the same bloke. He had a website, Buckshot's Trapping or something like that, and he had all sorts of traps on there. Quite a few pheasant traps and things like that, and all homemade kind of ones. Well, this one seems more about, instead of kind of homemade kind of stuff, it's more using what Americans call conny bear traps, or over here we call them body grip traps. So using body grip traps, snares and stuff like that. But for survival trapping, I've got conny bear traps. For survival trapping, it's still good to know these things, whether you can legally use them or not. So it's got all sorts of things in it, quite a lot. Quite a big book. I don't know if you can see that. That's 1 page of contents, and a bit more on the second page. But it's got all sorts of stuff in here. Got pictures and diagrams. So I'm going to find you a picture. There's a bit on snare in there. Skinning a muskrat. All these things are worth knowing regardless of whether you can do them or not, because you can use the techniques how you could use them, if you know what I mean. Because we're allowed to snare in the UK, and we're allowed to use body grip traps, but they've got to be in a tunnel. Anyway, that's one I got. The second one is the Trapper's Bible. Now, this is a good book, but I was slightly disappointed. And the funny thing is, it actually says in the beginning of this book what it is. And I knew what it was when I got it. Because everything in this book, or near enough everything, I've actually seen in other books. The exact same pictures. There's about 2 or 3 different books. One of them is, I'm 99% sure, Camp Life in the Woods. And there's another one, but I can't remember his name. But I've seen nearly every... I hadn't had this book, and then when I got it, I realised that I'd probably seen every trap in it, bar about 2. But it does say in this book, if I can find it, the book you hold before you is the collective wisdom of some of North America's most prominent trappers, drawn from the heyday of the trade. That is to say, I have collected their writings, collated the information, and boiled down the various and sundry ingredients to render the Trapper's Bible. Well, when I bought it, I didn't know it was just basically 3 other books put into one book. But regardless of that, it is a very good book. And it does mean that if you get this one and you can't get hold of the other books, then you've got it here. This has got lots and lots of traps in it. If you've got lots of trap books already, you'll probably find that you've seen most of them in it. But if you haven't got lots of trapping books, that's a good book to buy, as well as Camp Life in the Woods. That's a very good book. This has got a fair few pages, 400, whatever. Diagrams, pictures, all sorts of stuff in it. Still well worth getting. But like I said, I thought it was a completely, new book of all different traps that I've probably never seen. It turned out I've seen every one because I've got 3 other books which seem to be what this one's made up of. Right, and then the third one I got something slightly different, but I've wanted a book like this for a long time. Vietnam War Booby Traps. Gordon L. Rotman. I think he might have been, I think he was in Vietnam. Anyway. This is the kind of book I wanted for a long time. This has got diagrams, photographs, and kind of drawings. Picture of a bow trap there. Some leg old traps. An unfinished pitfall trap. And then the kind of drawings they have, these good colour illustrations. That's about, how many pages is that? About 60 to 70 pages. It's got details, diagrams, explanations, all sorts. It's got, ones like that in it. All sorts of ones that they used in Vietnam. Very interesting book. Right. All of them came off Amazon. So if you want to find any of these, just search for these titles on Amazon, and I'm pretty sure that you'll find them on there. That's a self-published one, like my books. I could tell because at the back it says printed in Great Britain by Amazon. That's what my ones say as well. I don't know about these ones. I think these are printed by a company. Anyway, thought I'd show you that. Wish you all a belated Merry Christmas. I'm going to crack on doing some videos. I've got some ideas. Got some ideas out of these. Always good to have more ideas. I'll do some more slingshot trigger videos because people seem to be very, very interested in those. They seem very popular. So why not? You know, I'll do some on them. Well, anyway, cheers for watching. All stay safe and I'll see you later.